2014, I had worked out my models of energy transfer, energy and information systems, knowledge visualization. And I wanted to combine those into this website called businessvisualization.com, which I had done a few years before. And I was at the point where I was re-synthesizing these ideas because I wanted them to be easier for other people to understand about the generic frameworks of energy and information systems and knowledge visualization and their application to business. Because I always thought, like in my observation, people like money, and especially like business people. So the idea was that that people would study these ideas and use the models of business visualization to improve the efficiency of their businesses, and then create more money in less time with less work, and hopefully spread some of that money out into the world, either by hiring more people, paying more people, buying more marketing, buying more stuff to keep the energy transfer flowing. Is energy is best when it's moving, and moving between people too. So so I decided I'd simplify my website. And around this time, I met someone named Dan Rome, actually earlier in 2010, for this project, who's now the artist, super genius, great guy who has been helping me since 2010 for this. And he had a book called The Back of the Napkin. And I read that book in 2010. And basically, it's a book about explaining things. Not basically, it is a book about explaining things using these six pictures, six pictures of cognition. And the reason I found him is because I have 6 pictures of cognition in my mind. My pictures did not match his pictures, but they did spatially, symbolically, I suppose you could say. But they weren't the identical pictures that he uses, but they mean the same thing. They measure the same things, and they represent the same things. And I knew this when I read his book in 2010, and that's why I reached out to him. So as this relates to the concepts of business visualization, what I decided to do was redo my website again, I think for the 3rd or 4th time, depending on how you define things. And I started a series called Draw Your Business using stick figures. And the idea on businessvisualization.com was to teach people that with a pencil, some paper, you need a calculator, and some magic markers to color code 3 colors, red, yellow, green, that you can draw a scale model of a business, like with a pencil. And you would need a ruler to get it exactly right. And the idea is that by teaching people how to visualize their business through business visualization and how to draw their business with simple tools, simple, that the ideas of business visualization would catch on. And I created maybe like 20, 30 videos, short videos, stick figures, which I'll link to here, that explain the process of visualizing a business system and how you would go about it. And it doesn't take that long to do. A couple hours, you can have a picture of a business. And this later led to software that I created that does this automatically, creates the models automatically. Software is called Visualizer, which came a little later. And so I built the the website, rebuilt the website again, and created all these videos again. And I didn't do anything with it. I didn't post it anywhere. I didn't hide it. It was in public, but I didn't promote it because I was saving it for now for this project. So if you want to learn a way to visualize a business, and you want to be able to draw a picture of your business so you can see the value of the money at each stage of the business, all the processes that move the money around through the system, all of the steps of the sequences of work within those processes that people are doing, and all the performance of every person at every step, and the performance of every process, and the performance of the money as it relates to three different kinds of money, which is potential money, kinetic money, and theoretical money. And theoretical money is on a budget, like a pro forma, expected results. And you want to see all that in one single picture at a snapshot in time, check out the links below. I guess I'll put the links for two places. One is the original business visualization site. Second one will be this website, markianrubin.life, where I moved the same videos over here, try to simplify things. And you can draw a picture of your business. And that's business visualization.